bibili ko. Oh, my hand, huh? Coming.
Floods hit several areas in Shah Alam, Klang Valley on November 8, 2022. The continuous rain has caused flash floods to hit several places in the Klang Valley since this afternoon, including on several roads around Kuala Lumpur city centre and in Shah Alam, Selangor. Accordingly, traffic flow was reported to be disrupted in Kuala Lumpur, including Jalan Yokyu, Jalan Pudu, Jalan Yaakob Latif, Jalan Sungai Besai, and Jalan Bukit Bintang. Several areas were reported to have been flooded, including Taman Sri Muda, Taman Sentosa, Alam Impian, Bukit Naga, Bukit Jelutong, Section 17, Section 18, Section 23, Section 24, Section 32, Section 32, and Section 36, believed to be the result of heavy rain that started at about 4 p.m. today. Meanwhile, the Shah Alam City Council, in a statement via Facebook at 8 p.m. tonight, November 8, advises residents in the Taman Sri Muda area to park their vehicles on high ground, where the Pazer Modern Seri Muda car park is open for the public to park.